It is almost mid-April and the temperatures are warming up real quick this week, reaching into the high 80s. So when the temperatures get really hot, you do need to open up your winter sowing containers for those that have already sprouted. So here I have the Salvia Blue Monday and it is packed. This one actually can go into the garden soon, but it's too hot to transplant right now. Remember that the containers act like mini greenhouses and it can get pretty hot inside, so your seedlings could bake if you leave them in the full sun. So be sure to protect your seedlings from that intense afternoon sun. You could also move your containers to an area where it gets a few hours of morning sun, but then it is in the shade for most of the day. If you don't really have a shady location to move them to, I really recommend that you open the lids and vent them out like I'm doing here. Now, another thing to keep in mind is once they are open, the soil in the container can dry out rather quickly, so you need to be sure to water them. Try not to let the soil dry out, as that can also stress out your seedlings. Now, you don't need to open any containers that have not germinated, but you may still want to protect them from the intense afternoon sun. So be sure to check on those that have not sprouted in case they do sprout, and you may want to open those as well to make sure the seedlings don't fry. So I hope you've had great success with your winter sowing, and if you do have warm temperatures, just remember to protect those seedlings, and happy growing. See you next time. Bye.